Want to elevate your next fajita night? Grab a beautiful skirt steak from Aldi. This is $8.99 when normal Black Angus was $11.99. Talk about a deal, and it's also more nutritious and better for you, so win-win. Cilantro, prefer fresh, but this will do in a pinch. The Mexican seasoning is made by me. It's all natural. More herbs and peppers than you normally get in a store. Cheating garlic. Herb-infused wine vinegar with Mexican oregano and thyme. Beautifully tenderizes the meat and flavors at the same time. Both the seasoning and the vinegar are available in Southeast Michigan markets. You'll also need a large bowl and a whisk. A bag to put the meat in. You can use the zips type right here, but jumbo size, more than 1 gallon. Or the reusable kind like I will be using in this video. It's nice thick plastic. Skirt steaks are bigger than you think. This will unravel pretty long. That's why you need a big bag. Grab a standard fork. It's going to help tenderize and assist the marinade to go into the meat. It's very important to do this step. There is 3 tablespoons of seasoning. Some will go onto the meat, as you can see in the corner. The rest will go into the mixing bowl. Grab the garlic. I have 2 tablespoons, which gives quite a presence. You can use less. Do what you prefer. The cilantro, in order to have a good presence, is a heaping tablespoon. The vinegar, you want 2 quantity of 1/3 cup. Pour it right in, whisk together, then place into the marinade bag before the meat goes in. That is such beautiful steak, isn't it? Massage the marinade into the meat for even coating and helps with tenderizing. Place into the fridge on a sheet pan. 8 to 12 hours or overnight for best.